Hold on. Did OpenAI just try to replace n8n? Or is this something completely different? Let me show you something that most automation creators are getting totally wrong right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, and if you're watching this, you're probably wondering whether OpenAI's new workflow builder can actually compete with n8n or if it's just hype. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool you should be using for your next automation project. And trust me, the answer might surprise you. We're going to break down everything: pricing, features, integrations, AI capabilities, and most importantly, which one will actually save you time and money. So let's dive right in. But first, a quick question. Have you ever built a workflow and realized halfway through that you picked the wrong tool? Drop a comment below, because I've been there and it's painful. All right, let's get into it. So what exactly are we comparing here? OpenAI recently launched its Agent Builder, which is part of its AgentKit platform. Think of it as a visual drag and drop system that's built specifically for creating AI-powered agents. It's cloud-based, fully managed, and designed for people who want to build conversational AI workflows fast, without touching infrastructure. Now, n8n. If you've been following this channel, you know I love n8n. It's an open source automation platform with over 600 integrations. You can self-host it, connect literally any API, and it's incredibly flexible for building complex business workflows. And here's the kicker. n8n just released their own AI workflow builder in beta, which lets you create workflows using natural language prompts. So now, both tools are stepping into each other's territory. The question is, who does it better? Let's talk about ease of use, because this is where most people make their decision. OpenAI's Agent Builder is insanely simple. You open it, drag some blocks, connect your logic, and boom, you have an AI agent. No servers to configure, no hosting headaches. It's all managed for you. Plus, they have built-in evaluation tools called evals, which let you test and optimize your agent's performance right inside the platform. If you're non-technical, or you just want to ship fast, this is a dream. Now, n8n has a slightly steeper learning curve, but not by much. The visual editor is powerful. You've got drag and drop nodes, but you also have the freedom to add custom JavaScript or Python code if you need it. The new AI workflow builder is a game changer though. You describe your automation in plain English, and n8n generates a draft workflow for you. Then you can refine it manually. So it's beginner friendly, but with pro-level control. Verdict? OpenAI wins for pure speed and simplicity. n8n wins if you want flexibility and control. But honestly, both are pretty easy to use in 2025. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful, hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow, and I'll keep making more comparison videos like this. Alright, back to it. This is huge, because what's the point of a workflow tool if it can't connect to the apps you actually use, right? OpenAI's Agent Builder integrates primarily with OpenAI's ecosystem and a growing registry of APIs. It's getting better, but it's still limited compared to dedicated automation platforms. n8n, on the other hand, has over 600 pre-built integrations. We're talking Google Sheets, Slack, HubSpot, Salesforce, Airtable, Notion, you name it. Plus, it has a webhook node, an HTTP request node, and a massive community creating custom nodes. If there's an API, n8n can connect to it. So, if your automation needs to pull data from 5 different SaaS tools, transform it, and push it somewhere else, n8n is the obvious choice. If your automation is purely AI-driven, like a support bot or a research assistant, OpenAI's Builder is more than enough. Now, this is where it gets interesting, because both platforms can do AI, but in very different ways. OpenAI's Agent Builder is AI native. It's built on GPT-5, GPT-5 Mini, and it has persistent memory, multi-agent orchestration, and built-in guardrails for safety and reliability. It's designed for reasoning, conversation, and intelligent decision-making. If you're building a chatbot, a virtual assistant, or an AI copilot, this platform is insanely powerful. And the evals tool helps you optimize prompts and improve performance over time. n8n can also do AI, but it's not native. You connect to OpenAI's API, Anthropic, Cohere, or any other LLM via API calls. It's model agnostic, which is powerful, but you have to configure everything yourself. The upside? You can embed AI into bigger workflows. For example, you could scrape data from a website, pass it to an LLM for analysis, then send the results to your CRM. That's where n8n shines. So, OpenAI wins for pure AI power and simplicity. n8n wins for AI plus integration workflows. It really depends on what you're building. This is a deal breaker for a lot of people. OpenAI's Agent Builder is cloud only. Your data lives on OpenAI's servers, and you're locked into their platform. If you're okay with that, it's convenient. But if you're handling sensitive data, or you have compliance requirements, that's a problem. n8n, on the other hand, is open source. You can self-host it on your own server, on-prem, or use their cloud version if you prefer. You have full control over your data, your workflows, and your infrastructure. For businesses with strict privacy requirements, n8n is the clear winner. Verdict: if privacy and data control matter to you, go with n8n. If you want zero infrastructure management, go with OpenAI. Let's talk money. OpenAI's Agent Builder is priced based on API usage and seats. The more your agents run, the more you pay. It can add up quickly if you're running complex automations at scale. n8n is free if you self-host it. Completely free. You just pay for your server costs. If you want their managed cloud version, they have affordable paid plans, but even those are cheaper than most alternatives. Plus, since it's open source, you can customize it however you want without worrying about vendor lock-in. If you're bootstrapping or running a small business, n8n is way more cost-effective. If you're an enterprise with a budget and you want managed infrastructure, OpenAI makes sense. So when should you use each tool? Let me break it down. Use OpenAI's Agent Builder if you're building AI agents, chatbots, virtual assistants, or anything that requires advanced reasoning and conversation. It's perfect for rapid prototyping, MVPs, and teams that don't want to manage infrastructure. It's also great if you're already deep in the OpenAI ecosystem. Use n8n if you need to connect multiple apps, automate business processes, sync data between systems, or build complex workflows with conditional logic. It's also the go-to if you need self-hosting, data privacy, or if you want to avoid vendor lock-in. And honestly, if you're serious about automation, n8n is one of the most powerful tools out there. Here's the thing. You don't have to choose just one. A lot of smart teams are using both. They use OpenAI for the AI brain, the reasoning and conversation, and they use n8n for the factory floor, the data flow, integrations, and orchestration. That's actually the best setup in my opinion. All right, so which one should you choose? Here's my final take. If you want to build AI agents fast, with no setup, and you're okay with being in the OpenAI cloud, go with OpenAI's Agent Builder. It's powerful, it's easy, and it's purpose-built for AI. If you need flexibility, integrations, self-hosting, or you want to build complex multi-step automations, go with n8n. It's open source, it's cost-effective, and it's insanely powerful. And if you're serious about automation, consider using both. Let OpenAI handle your AI logic, and let n8n handle your integrations and workflows. That's the ultimate setup. All right, that's it for this comparison. I want to hear from you. Are you Team OpenAI or Team n8n? Or are you using both? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you want me to build a live workflow comparing these two tools side by side, let me know in the comments and I'll make that video next. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more automation content, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. I've got more comparisons, tutorials, and automation hacks coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep automating and keep building cool stuff.